my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice to commence the proceedings. Please. Thank you, Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon. We have assembled here this afternoon to bid farewell to His Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdher, Chief Justice, High Court of Himachal Pradesh, on the eve of His Lordship limiting the office of the Chief Justice on superannuation. I request my Lord Honorable Mr. Justice Tilak Singh Chauhan to please address.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdher, and his equal half esteemed Madam, Ms. Deepa Dixit, my esteemed and distinguished sister and brother judges on the dais, and their respective spouses, Honorable Mr. Justice Purushendra Kumar Kaurav, Judge Delhi High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Kuldeep Tiwari, Judge Punjab and Haryana High Court, Honorable Justice P.S. Rana, Chairman, Human Rights Commission, Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Goyal, and Honorable Mr. Justice V.K. Sharma, former judges of this court, Learned Advocate General Shri Anup Ratan, Chairman Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh Shri Ravneesh Kanwar, President Himachal Pradesh High Court Bar Association Shri Piyush Verma, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India Shri Balram Sharma, learned senior advocates, esteemed members of the bar, respective family members and guests of Honorable the Chief Justice, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to all of you. I feel emotionally involved in associating myself while bidding adieu to Honorable Justice Rajiv Shakdher on the eve of his demitting office. It was less than a month ago that we welcomed Justice Shakdher, and in the welcome address, achievements and contributions made by him in Delhi and Madras High Courts had been highlighted. Therefore, I am not reiterating the same. Justice Shakdher has though been with us for a very short, yet a very fruitful and productive period. It does not require any introduction of his acumen, skill, and dexterity in handling even the most complicated legal issues. Sojourning a while in this High Court, Justice Shakdher always remained active for the interest of the institution. After assuming the charge being the state head of the judiciary, he immediately convened a meeting of all the district judges of the state with a view to resolving the problems and difficulties being faced by them, and has effectively resolved the same, which was clearly evident from the attendance and the acknowledgements made at the dinner hosted by the judicial officers yesterday. He also showed keen interest in designating senior advocates, and just 2 days earlier, he successfully did the same. When he came to know that the court complex at is almost ready, Justice Shakdher immediately asked the authorities to hand over the complex to the judiciary, and accordingly the new court complex at has been inaugurated on 13th of October, though he could not attend the inaugural function of the court complex due to his preoccupation. The Himachal Pradesh National Law University was without any Vice Chancellor since February 2024. Justice Shakdher immediately took initiative, and now just 2 days earlier, a regular Vice Chancellor has been appointed in the National Law University. The skills and competency developed and the vast experience acquired by Justice Shakdher during his tenure has immensely strengthened the institution of judiciary at Delhi, Madras, and this court. The judgments rendered by Justice Shakdher are testimony to the fact that his approach has always been legalist as well as pragmatic, and thus he can be classified as a judge with legal pragmatism. He has always shown a liberal attitude in dispensing justice to the underprivileged and the vulnerable groups of society. Apart from the decision-making, communication, and overall professionalism, the most important thing I and my colleagues have found in him is how to be a good human being. Justice Shakdher's style of functioning in this court was truly democratic, where no decision was taken by him unilaterally, even though he was competent to do so. Before taking any decision on any issue, the subject matter was put to discussion, and only after unanimity was it put to execution. While summing up, I refer to the quote of great philosopher Confucius: "The superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions." This is squarely applicable to Justice Shakdher. Today, as we bid him farewell from this High Court, Please accept our best wishes. We pray to the Almighty to grant him longevity, good health and happiness. On behalf of the High Court of Himachal Pradesh, we will wish all the best to him and pray to the Almighty to continue to bless him for the rest of his life. Life is a trip. It does not come with a map. God helps us to search our routes, to reach our destinations. The fragrance of flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person like Justice Shakdher spreads in all directions. This is clearly evident from the huge gathering out here. Once again, we wish you and your family members a very happy, long, healthy and prosperous life. Jai.
I request Shri Anup Ratan, Learner Advocate General, Himachal Pradesh, to please address.
My Lords, the Honorable Chief Justice, Justice Rajiv Shakdher, Honorable companion judges on the dais, Madam Deepa Dikshit, and the spouses of Honorable judges, the Honorable retired judges, Justice A.K. Goyal, Justice B.K. Sharma, Justice Rana. The guest in this court came from Delhi High Court, Honorable Justice, and Punjab Haryana High Court, and other guests accompanying my lords, Shri Lavnish Kanwar, Learned Senior Advocate, Chairman Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, Shri Piyush Verma, Learned Senior Advocate, President HP High Court Bar Association, Shri Balram Sharma, Learned Senior Advocate, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Learned Senior Advocates, members of the bar, media persons. We have gathered here today to bid farewell to the Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Rajiv Shakdher, on his limiting the office of Chief Justice on his superannuation. My Lords, just we got an opportunity to welcome my Lords few days back, and now we are again here gathered to bid farewell in this short stint, my Lords. What we could find, what we could do, as my Lords have already said, the best thing is, my Lords, the inauguration of the Court, which is my parent court, parent bar, and we made efforts to get that court inaugurated because the old building was a stinking building. It was very difficult to work in that old court atmosphere, Lordship. So, my Lords, I found that my Lords is acting in a manner, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. And within these 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we have gathered, Lordship, from my Lords' actions, that my Lords have not rested and not said that my Lords are for a while here, but my Lords have done those works which were pending for years together in this Himachal Pradesh, Lordship. Particularly the Court inauguration, that was because, my Lord, it was very difficult for that court, I may give the brief, that difficult for that building to come up. I filed a writ petition before this Honorable Court. My Lords have passed orders to get that expedited, that work. Then Corona came, Lordship, and thereafter, with the efforts of my Lords, Honorable Justice Sandeep Sharma and other Honorable Judges, Justice Vivek Singh Thakur was there when it was inaugurated. And it was fortunate for the people of and for us that Justice Suryakant came, who laid the foundation stone, and then he inaugurated that building. We missed you, my Lord, on that day, but it was destiny like this. Then my Lords have, as my Lord said, my Lords have given us the Vice Chancellor for the HBNLU, which was a long-awaited, my Lord, she retired a year back, and then since then that post was lying vacant, and it is very difficult to run a university without the Vice Chancellor. My Lords have thought on this and given that opportunity and immediately selected, appointed the Vice Chancellor. Then the my Lord, designation of 11 my friends who are designated in this as a senior advocates. My Lord, that entire process I have witnessed, and the activeness and the actively my Lords have taken that process. My Lord, it was my first experience, but it was really a learning experience. My Lord, the other thing is, past 1-2 years, my Lord, we lost our traditions in this bar room. The traditions of hosting dinners, the traditions of meeting the bar members by the Honorable Judges, many other traditions, but my Lords brought back those smiles to us, Lordship. We are thankful to my Lord. Those smiles always work, my Lord. Anger never works in the court or any working atmosphere. My Lords have taught this. Softly, swiftly, my Lords have passed the order and made us to work for in these 2 weeks. I am thankful to my lords. Then my lord visited the bar room with the honorable judges. That was also our tradition, which we could not follow for last 1 year. My lords brought it back. Thank you very much, Lordship. And working with the smile is the most important thing in a working atmosphere. I am thankful that that has come back, Lordship. My lord, today also the matters of the appeals, which are family matters listed before my lord, the manner tackling of that family matters, and the last matter today, which was a compromise appeal, how my lords have said that it's a happy ending to my lord's court to working today. That is all which I have gathered from the experience by working on this side of the. So I am thankful to you, my lord, for this. Now, last but least, that I would say that retirement marks the end of one phase. It is a one phase which my lords have joined in 2008, and after serving the people for a long year, now my lords are going for a new venture in life. I wish my lords the success in the new ventures also, the service to the people as my lords have done. It may continue for years together. I wish for that. I wish for healthy life, and wish for many more family time to Madam Deepa Dixit, so that everyone may enjoy Lordship. It is to the advocates also and to the judges also, it is always a complaint that you don't have the time, but my lords may give some more time. It is our humble request. Thank you very much.
I request Shri Ramesh Kamal, Learned Chairman, Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, to speak to us.
My Lord, Honorable Justice Rajiv Shakdher, Chief Justice, esteemed companion judges, and respected spouses, Honorable Mr. Justice Purushender Kumar Kaurav, Judge, High Court of Delhi, Honorable Mr. Justice Kuldeep Tiwari, Judge, Punjab and Haryana High Court, Honorable former judges of this court, Shri Anup Ratan, Learned Advocate General, Shri Piyush Verma, President, High Court Bar Association, Shri Balram Sharma, Deputy Solicitor General of India, respected senior advocates, Registrar General and other registrars, learned members of the bar, distinguished guests, persons from the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all. Today we have gathered here to bid farewell to Honorable Justice Rajiv Shakdher, who demits office on superannuation after a distinguished and fulfilling career of more than 16 years. Today is an occasion to memorize and share Honorable Justice Rajiv Shakdher's career and to share words of goodwill, best wishes, and to express gratitude to his lordship. From the day you took oath as Chief Justice of this esteemed High Court, you brought with you a fresh sense of purpose. Your keen understanding of law, combined with your empathy for those who seek justice, quickly earned you the respect of both the bench and the bar. You have not only upheld the highest standards of judicial conduct, but have also fostered a spirit of cooperation and mutual respect between the judiciary and the bar. Your lordship's judgments during this short tenure were marked by clarity of thought, fairness, and an unwavering commitment to justice. Integrity, honesty, hard work, and flexibility in decision-making process were the weapons in your armory and an exemplar by itself. But beyond your judicial acumen, what truly sets you apart is your humility and compassion. You always found time to listen, whether it was to the youngest advocates or the most senior members of the bar. In doing so, you built a rapport that extended beyond the courtroom. The young advocates did not hesitate, and with the warmth shown by you, they would argue knowing very well that you would not hold their inexperience against them. Your graciousness was the same when it came to the seniors. Relief was given in a deserving case, and in non-deserving matters, rejection was very polite. Your open door policy created an atmosphere of mutual respect where both the bench and bar felt heard and valued. The designation of a number of lawyers as senior advocates during your tenure has given a great impetus to the professional lives of many young lawyers. The space created will encourage them to move forward with greater enthusiasm and seriousness. Being a senior is not just about success. It brings along with it a huge duty towards the court, the society, and oneself. Integrity, hard work, and the ability to give space to those who need it while showing them a better way is all part and parcel of this one word, senior. The long pending appointment of Vice Chancellor of National Law University was made during your short tenure. In one of its kind, your Lordship invited all the district and session judges of the state, and after interacting with them, redressed their difficulties by imparting the requisite instructions. Leo C. Roston once said, and I quote, I cannot believe that purpose of life is to be happy. I think the purpose of life is to be useful, to be responsible, to be compassionate. It is all, above all, to matter, to count, to stand for something, to have made some difference that you have lived at all. Unquote. This is true to the great contribution of Chief Justice Rajiv Shakdher as an eminent lawyer as well as a judge. The greatest irony of leadership is that the more you give, the more you get. And when all is said and done, the highest and most enduring gift that you will ever be able to give is the gift of what you leave behind. Your legacy to the generations that follow will be how much value you have added to your organization and how many lives you have improved. To work for the common good is the greatest creed. Chief Justice Rajiv Shakdher is leaving a rich footprint of services and contribution behind him while he is departing. The legacy you leave behind is one of fairness, integrity, and a deep commitment to justice. While your time with us may have been short, your impact has been lasting. Your leadership, wisdom, and integrity have left an indelible mark on this court and the legal fraternity of Himachal Pradesh. On behalf of the Himachal Pradesh Bar Council and the entire legal fraternity, I extend my heartiest gratitude for your service and leadership. With this, I wish you the very best in life, a glorious future, and great success enriched with good health, happiness, and peace. I also extend my best wishes and congratulate your esteemed family members. Thank you.
I request Shri Piyush Verma, Learner President, High Court Bar Association, to please address. Please address.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdher ji, and his honorable companion judges, respective spouses of all the honorable judges, Honorable Justice Purushendra Kumar ji, Judge, Honorable Delhi High Court, Honorable Justice Kuldeep Tiwari ji, Honorable Judge, Punjab and Haryana High Court, Honorable retired judges of this honorable court, Learned Advocate General, Learned Chairman Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, the respected senior advocates and members of the legal fraternity, learned registrars of this honorable court and the court staff, members of the print and electronic media, last but not the least, the respected Srimati Sunita Shakdher Menon and Shri Ashok Menon, sister and brother-in-law of the Honorable Chief Justice, and all other respected members of this august gathering. Today, we gather here to bid farewell to Honorable Justice Rajiv Shakdher, Chief Justice of the High Court of Himachal Pradesh. As we reflect on his remarkable career and his brief yet impactful tenure as our Chief Justice, we are filled with a profound sense of gratitude and admiration. Honorable Justice Rajiv Shakdher's journey in the legal profession is a testament to the power of dedication, intellectual curiosity, and unwavering commitment to the principles of justice. Graduating with a BCom honors from the Delhi University in 1984, Justice Shakdher demonstrated early on his ability to excel in diverse fields of study. This multidisciplinary approach continued with his pursuits of an LLB degree from the prestigious Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, which he completed in the year 1987. But Justice Shakdher's thirst for knowledge did not stop here. In the same year, he completed his law degree. He also achieved the distinguished feat of becoming a chartered accountant. This unique combination of legal and financial expertise proved invaluable throughout his career, allowing him to approach complex legal issues with a nuanced understanding of their economic implications. Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdher's journey in the legal profession began on November 19, 1987, when he enrolled as an advocate. His practice spanned across various honorable high courts of India, the Honorable Supreme Court, and numerous tribunals, including those dealing with taxation, debt recovery, insolvency, and company law. This diverse experience allowed him to develop a comprehensive understanding of India's legal landscape. Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdher's expertise in civil litigation, constitutional law, and commercial matters, particularly in corporate and taxation laws, set him apart from his peers. In 1994, Justice Shakdher's pursuit of excellence led him to the University of London as a Chevening Scholar, where he undertook an advanced course in law at the Institute of Advanced Legal Studies. This international exposure broadened his perspective and enriched his understanding of the global legal principles, which later informed his approach to interpreting and applying the law in an increasingly interconnected world. Justice Shakdher was designated as a senior advocate on December 8, 2005. This honor was a testament to his deep legal acumen, his integrity, and the respect he had earned amongst his colleagues. As a senior advocate, Justice Shakdher took on some of the most challenging and high-profile cases, further cementing his reputation as a legal luminary. Justice Shakdher's elevation to the bench came on April 11, 2008, when he was appointed as an additional judge of the Delhi High Court. This marked the beginning of a new chapter in his illustrious career, one where he would shape the course of Indian jurisprudence through his judgments and judicial philosophy. On October 17, 2011, Justice Shakdher was made a permanent judge of the Delhi High Court, a role in which he truly flourished. During his tenure as Delhi High Court judge, Justice Shakdher heard and decided cases spanning a wide range of legal areas. His judgments in matters of constitutional law were particularly noteworthy, demonstrating a deep understanding of the Indian Constitution and its underlying principles. One of the most significant aspects of Justice Shakdher's judicial career has been his willingness to tackle controversial and socially sensitive issues head-on. His landmark judgment on the criminalization of marital rape stands as a testament to his courage and his commitment to upholding the principles of individual dignity and equality before the law. In this judgment, Justice Shakdher demonstrated his ability to look beyond societal norms and traditional interpretations of the law to uphold the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution. As Martin Luther King Jr. once said, I quote, "The arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends towards justice," unquote. Justice Shakdher has been instrumental in bending this arc, pushing society towards greater equality and justice through his courageous judgments. Honorable Justice Rajiv Shakdher's contribution extend beyond his role in deciding cases. He has been a driving force in modernizing the Indian judicial system, recognizing early on the potential of technology to enhance the efficiency and accessibility of the courts. As the chairperson of the Information and Technology Committees in both the Madras and Delhi High Courts, he spearheaded initiatives to digitize court records, implementing e-filing systems, and leverage technology to streamline court proceedings. These efforts have not only improved the functioning of the courts, but have also made the justice system more accessible to the common citizen. From April 11, 2016 to January 2018, Justice Shakdher served at the Madras High Court, bringing his expertise and judicial acumen to benefit the legal landscape of Tamil Nadu. Throughout his career, Justice Shakdher has been known for his approachability and his willingness to mentor younger members of the legal profession. He has played a crucial role in shaping the next generation of legal professionals, instilling in them the values of integrity, hard work, and commitment to justice. Justice Shakdher's elevation as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Himachal Pradesh on September 25, 2024 was a fitting recognition of his judicial excellence and leadership qualities. Although his tenure as our Chief Justice is brief, concluding today, yet the impact of his leadership will be felt for years to come. In this short period, he has already initiated several reforms aimed at improving the efficiency of the court system and enhancing access to justice for the people of Himachal Pradesh. As Chief Justice, he has emphasized the importance of timely disposal of cases. He has also been a strong advocate for alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, recognizing their potential to provide quicker and more amicable resolutions to conflicts. Justice Shakdher's approach to judicial administration has been characterized by a combination of innovation and respect for established procedures. He has encouraged judges and lawyers alike to embrace new technologies and modern case management techniques while ensuring that the fundamental principles of natural justice are always upheld. As we bid farewell to Justice Shakdher, we are not just saying goodbye to a Chief Justice, but to a jurist who has left an important mark in India's legal landscape. His career serves as an inspiration to all of us in the legal profession, a reminder of the impact we can have when we combine legal expertise with a deep commitment to justice and social progress. To our departing Chief Justice, we express our deepest gratitude for his service, his wisdom, and his unwavering commitment to upholding the rule of law. Though your time with us may have been short, your impact will be long-lasting. You have set a high standard for those who will follow, and you have inspired a generation of legal professionals to strive for excellence. As you move on to the next chapter of your distinguished career, we wish you all the best. Justice Shakdher, you have shown us that law is not just a set of rules, but a living, breathing instrument of social change. You have demonstrated that justice is not merely applying the letter of law, but about understanding its spirit and using it to create a more equitable society. Your judgments have not just resolved issues, they have advanced the cause of justice and contributed to the evolution of our legal system. As you leave us, know that you take with you our deepest respect, our heartfelt gratitude, and our warmest wishes. The legal fraternity of Himachal Pradesh, indeed the entire Indian legal community, is better off because of your contributions. Your legacy will continue to guide us, inspire us, and challenge us to be better law professionals, better citizens, and better human beings. May your future endeavors be as impactful and inspiring as your judicial career has been. Thank you, Justice Shakdher. Thank you for everything. You will be deeply missed, but never forgotten. Your tenure as our Chief Justice may have been brief, but its impact will be everlasting. We wish you the very best in all your future endeavors. May your journey ahead be as illustrious and impactful as the one you are concluding today. Thank you, Jai.
I request Shri Balram Sharma, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, to please address.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable companion judges and their family members, Honorable former judges, Learned Advocate General, Chairman Bar Council, President of the Bar Association, Secretary and other office bearer of the Bar Association, Senior Advocates, Learned Secretary Law, Learned Registrars, Learned Standing Counsel for the Government of India and the Government of Himachal Pradesh, my colleagues at the Bar, officers and staff of the Honorable High Court, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to extend a warm welcome to Honorable Judges of the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana, Mr. Justice Pushpender Kumar Kaurav, Mr. Justice Kuldeep Tiwari and their family members, and the family members of the Honorable the Chief Justice, including his sister Shrimati Sunita Shakdher Menon and brother-in-law Mr. Ashok. Your presence has truly enhanced this memorable event. I sincerely appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to attend. Today I will refrain from discussing the educational background, career achievements, legal expertise and significant judgments of His Lordship, except to say, acknowledge that he has greatly contributed to our institution both intellectually and personally by bringing a rigorous case law based approach, common sense and his admirable sense of humor to his work. With His Lordship's permission, I would like to mention the impeccable care shown by Madam Shakdher towards His Lordship's attire during oath ceremony. A gesture that was observed by few, including Honorable Justice Mr. Trilok Singh Chauhan. It is often said that behind every successful man is a woman, and behind every successful woman is a sporting man, making them an ideal couple. Looking at both of you, it is evident that you are truly meant for each other. I vividly recall the day like it was yesterday on 25th September 2024, when the announcement was made that Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdher will be joining us as the Chief Justice. A full court reference was held in his honor, where speakers shared their thoughts based on available data. His Lordship assured us of his unwavering love, respect and open door policy during his tenure, emphasizing the importance of making each day count. I echo the sentiments expressed on that day and aim to represent the voice of my colleagues in my speech. It is a rare privilege to comment on judges' attribute, and I cannot let this opportunity pass by. His Lordship's tenure has been linked to the famous dialogue from the movie Anand. Babu Mushaye Zindagi Badi Honi Chahiye, Lambi Nahi. esteemed colleagues from Delhi Bar Association have praised him as a model professional, a perfect judge, and a jurist of unparalleled legacy. His genuine integrity and respect have left lasting impression on those who have interacted with him. Juniors member from Delhi has asked, "We have never seen you angry, and how can we inherit such a quality?" Another senior counsel from our bar calls you the perfect judge, a model professional with high EQ, and also expressed that your legacy is unmatched. A colleague from Himachal Judiciary has expressed gratitude for the decision taken and the way their grievances have been addressed. Last but not least, one senior counsel quoted Mark Antony and said, "Whence comes such another?" One of his lordship's most remarkable attributes is his willingness to engage in conversation with individuals of all backgrounds, from clerks to senior judges, children to elderly. His genuine interest in others and his ability to bring out the best in everyone has earned him widespread popularity. Lordship humanity and deep understanding of people shine through in every aspect of his life, reflecting his inborn compassion. In preparing this speech, I sought stories that might reveal a weakness in his lordship's, but to my surprise, I found nothing but admiration from colleagues, staff, members, and court personnel. His lordship retired with the utmost respect and warm affection from all who have had the privilege of working with him or appearing before him. Honorable Justice, you have been a judicial referee during perhaps the toughest game that we have played. I am sure that has taken its toll on both you and your family. And the support you have received from them has been amazing. We all know as part and parcel of judicial system that our families are often on the front line. They do not see enough of us, and when they do, it is not exactly quality time that they get with us. So I hope that you will spend very valuable time with them in the future. I wish you well in the next phase of your life. Perhaps our paths will cross again, but in different capacity. Beyond these benches, we'll miss you, and you will forever be a friend of Himachal. Must remember that the people of Himachal love you, and this is a relationship that will never break. On your birthday, I believe that your parents, late Shrimati Sheila Shakdher and late Shri M.L. Shakdher, looking after you from above, are glowing with unbridled pride and happiness. Their hearts filled with love and appreciation. Every achievement, every milestone, and every step taken towards your dream is a testament to the unwavering support and guidance they have provided you. Though they may not be physically present, but their presence can be felt today. I firmly believe that they have come to witness your success and see the person you have become. Strong, resilient, and kind. In the heavenly realm, your parents beam with pride, their eyes shining bright with love as they watch you so. Their watching presence is a reminder that you are never alone, that their love remains a constant source of strength and inspiration, guiding you every step of the way. On behalf of my colleagues and myself, I extend heartfelt wishes for bright future ahead. May the next phase of your journey be as enriching and fulfilling as the one you have completed. Happy early birthday, Your Lordship. Thank you.
I request my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice to kindly deliver his Lordship's address.
Since this is my last opportunity to express Mukesh Kantala, and my friends from Delhi, Mr. Justice Gaurav, Judge, Delhi High Court, another friend from Punjab and Haryana High Court, Mr. Justice Kumbeek Tiwari, their lovely spouses, former Honorable Judges of this court, the Learned Advocate General, Mr. Ratan, the endearing Mr. Balram Sharma, Deputy Solicitor General of for Government of India, who always digs up something unique. Last time when he welcomed me, I was a little nervous that he would come up with something that even I didn't know I would do again. Of course, my gratitude to him. Shri Lavnish Kanwar, Chairman Bar Council of Himachal Pradesh. Shri Piyush Verma, Senior Advocate, President of the High Court, Himachal Pradesh High Court Bar Association. Not to be left behind, my friends from Delhi, Mr. Rajiv Garg, Mr. Ankit Jain, Mr. Mohit Gupta, Mr. Rohit Gandhi, Dr. Amit George, Ms. Navnapriya, Mr. Mukesh Kumar, Mr. Sarup George, Mr. Ashish Garg, Mr. Parminder P. Thedi, and Mr. Aditya P. Khanna. And of course, all distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. I started my journey as a judge in April 2008. Today I have crossed more than 16 and a half years as a sitting judge. It has been an eventful and a meaningful journey, at times in some ways a roller coaster ride. Did I do well? Did I stand true to my oath? It's something for you all to evaluate. Judges have no agenda. Their duties, obligations, and powers are delineated by the Constitution and some bit of common sense. Judges have no ideology. Their natural instinct is to give a leg up to the disempowered, the weak, and the infirm, the aged, and the young, albeit in the four corners of the law. The Constitution provides us with the necessary wherewithal and also firewarns us against a possible blowback. The uniqueness of the job is that it allows us to choose our own path and beckons us to work within the framework of the Constitution. The job allows us to paint a wide canvas, which is an opportunity that is not available to an individual in the private sector. This by itself compensates an individual for a possible loss of pecuniary and other benefits that might have accrued to an individual if he or she was working in the private sector. However, with all the wherewithal at our disposal, including assistance of learned counsel, judges do err and sometimes go horribly wrong, although not intentionally. Judges, therefore, to my mind, should not be deified. Judges are not gods. They are as fallible as any other common man on the street. They have feet of clay. In my view, judges should take responsibility for each of their actions. It's no point saying when you are retiring that I didn't intend, if I hurt someone, please excuse me. I think we should take responsibility for our actions. A word spoken or written by a judge is like an arrow shot across a bow, which cannot be retrieved. That said, judging allows for expiation. An error committed can be corrected either by the individual or the institution. This is what makes the whole process unique in many ways. The decisions rendered in a free and fair environment, where each and every person has opportunity to knock at the doors of the court when aggrieved and have his or her say, is the bedrock of a robust judicial system. There is often a debate about which of the two systems is better. The inquisitorial, which is adopted in some European countries, or the adversarial system, which is in vogue in countries that follow the adversarial system is that it offers an opportunity to see the law being forged before one's eyes. It gives an opportunity to see the law in its raw form. Young lawyers, over a period of time, gain experience, which enables the court to invite them to be part of the bench. It enhances the quality of both the bar and the bench. In a short span of time that I have been here, with the help of my colleagues, we were able to set in motion certain initiatives which included designation of lawyers as senior advocates. In times to come, senior advocates of this court, including those who are newly minted and those who earned their spurs in the past, would go out as emissaries of this court and enhance its image. I must place on record the cooperation that I received from my colleagues in ironing out difficulties faced by the district judiciary, amongst others, with regard to the valuation of the judicial work. The committee set up by the court has addressed its mind to the difficulties encountered by the district court judges, having regard to the responses that they gave to the draft report. Although it is still work in progress, we have decided to modulate the parameters keeping in mind the mental and other health issues which came to the fore during the course of our interaction with judges of the district judiciary. I am sure the final decision of the committee will lead to a happy and a satisfactory outcome, both from the point of view of the institution and the men and women that make it work. I have also been exposed in this short while to the rich cultural and natural beauty that was on display during my travels across the state. It is rightly said that Himachal Pradesh is not just a state, but a kaleidoscope of various cultures. Each district has its own custom, ritual, and even dialects. I am therefore grateful that destiny brought me here and now allowed me to serve the people of the state. I intimate this office with a sense of satisfaction that I did what I thought was right according to my conscience. The oath that I took when I first joined the bench and the expectation of my well-wishers, which include my family members, my colleagues, the members of the bar and other stakeholders. As I bid adieu to the bench, I am filled with exultation that I am going back to my mother fold, i.e. the bar. As they say, I am what I am. There is a prelude to my conclusion.
यहाँ तो एंड कर दो, एंड कर दो, बीच में अपने आप ही बंद हो गया वो, छोटी डीएनएस